Good morning, people. So here's our breakfast. I'm cooking lugaw. Oh, his pasta is not good.
Yeah.
So hi guys. So today I'm going to pick up Zoe and we're going to the shop. We go buy for some clothes for Zoe because they have event. Kahit parang puti, no? They have an event on Friday. So it's Monday today. They need to wear orange or any red color, blue, white. But Zoe has red, but I want her to wear orange. So we go to buy in the shop and you join me. First we go pick up Zoe and we're going to the store. See you. I'm with Zoe. So guys, Zoe is very good today at school, yeah?
Yeah.
So we're going to shopping, okay? Look, the wind is so strong and it's so cold. Look. Oh no. Come. Come. So that's what we bought. No dress for Zoe. Yeah, let's go. Hi guys, so we're home. So we're from school and shop. And I bought something for Zoe. Like what I said before, she gonna have a event at school on Friday. They need to wear orange or blue, red, white. You know, orange is like a king's color, and the red, blue, white is a flag color. Zoe back. So Zoe said I must buy this umbrella, so I bought it. So cute, small one, because it's always raining here. Cute niya. Sa Philippines, may mga kailangan pindutin dito. Na, ito wala na. Igaganon mo na lang siya, oh. Tapos, gaganon mo lang. Ang cute. Tapos, ang kapal ng bakal niya. Hindi mabilis masira. I think, ano to? €4, $4.99. Nasa 5. And this one, the flag color, ano ni Zoe? Ponytail. And orange dress. This one. Orange dress. So cute. Tapos may color ng flag. Diba? Ano siya? Magkano? €13. Actually guys, same lang na nabibili talaga sa online. Pero ang ganda niya. Same lang pala. Sa susunod, so wala rin namang problema kung sa online ako bibili next time ng mga dress niya kasi same lang ng ng quality. And I bought her socks, white, for school. Kasi walang ibang kulay na parang ka-size niya. Puro malaki. Maganda sana kasi di color. Ito kasi madumihin eh. So I have no choice. So ano to? I don't know kung magkano siya. So yun lang.
3 plus 8
Equals?
8 plus 3 what? No 8 plus 3
Here.
again
Okay.
8 plus 3 here
Plus.
8
8 equals?
1 2
No, Dutch.
8 plus 3 here 5
Yay! Good job. Again.
It's for
Oh, sorry. Again.
Big 5
Plus.
2
In Dutch.
and 8
In?
3
Again.
5
Plus.
3
Plus.
20
Play equals?
5
Yay!
Mama, what happened?
Okay, next. People forget. Okay, next.
5
Plus 5. Ay, sorry.
plus 5
Plus
5
equals?
8 plus 3 is 5 plus 7 up negative 10
Yeah! Good job.
Come on again.
Okay, you count it. You count it. Louder. Oh, what happened? No. Why you do that? You counted that?
8, 12, 3, 4, 5.
Louder.
8, 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. I'm gonna ask the color. You know the color?
No,
Not yet?
no.
What color is this? What color is this?
Green.
In that?
Green and
Groot.
I want
This one.
Amy.
Kale.
Here.
This one. I don't know.
Ella. I did Ella.
You good, that is very good.
Mama, Mama, wait.
What?
Can you tell me about
What?
Mama.
Fun. We're late. We're going today to dentist. Oh no. Where? Yeah. I not take a video. See you now. We're going now. Where we go? To check your teeth.
One anymore. And then I play a lot. Other people's houses.
Where? Where?
I don't know. Let's go. Oh, there.
Oh, over there. Out here. The dental day. Dentist visit. Come. I don't know. Where are you now? Where we are? Look. Mine standard. Is that teeth standard? Look.
Dentist, mijn tand.
Mine standard. Ah, dentist. Wundat ik heen komt. Are we not scared? Only check your teeth. Like in Philippines. Why? Good job. Smile.
Teeth. Well, like to open a little bit. Alright. This one's good. This one also. Okay. This one to go. That's okay. 2 met 4, 5. Ja. Volgens mij had ik de vorige keer een heel klein gaatje misschien. Nee, not kraaien, hè? Oh ja, ja, sorry. Dat is nog. Mama, go cry, Zoe.
It's okay.
I'm not a good hairdresser, so watch out. Oh, Mama, cry.
Show to them what you got. What you got?
Guys!
Yay, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Home now.
Okay, go.
Hi guys, I'm home now.
She's from school.
Yeah, no,
And
guys.
she got books. You open it? Yeah. Group book for group 1 and 2. Oh, what is this? We have cards. Are we gonna read it later? Oh, you're gonna put what, your name? Yeah, Vonam. Don't break it, huh?
No,
You don't
my
translate it.
arm.
Huh?
My arm.
Nam.
Yeah.
That book is van. It means this book is
Nam.
Zoe Arabella Biran. Van Zoe Arabella Biran.
Yeah, later
And this is what you do. What you did at school.
to make this, I'm gonna finish this one.
You're not finished. You have a stamp there. You want to do it?
Can you see?
Look. Baliktad. Big. Yung kay niya baliktad eh. Keep. It's okay. Say hi.
It's hi, it's a kid.
You go dance school? Wow, may I see your outfit? Moy, and your hair? Wow, si Julie na yan. That's her hair.
Hi, Papa. When I go to school. Hi, Papa.
You ready now?
Yeah.
Show to Papa your outfit. Turn on. Good so. Look back at her hair. It's my guys. So little Julina is it's hot, yeah. It's here. Turn around. Yeah, 90. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You say hi, Julina. Zoe is ready for King's game. Oh, the king. Zoe's ready for school. It's gonna rain later. Hi, Zoe.
Hi.
Ready for school?
Yeah.
There.
Oh, not that.
This one
Huh?
is zest or 5?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This.
Good so.
This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good so.
1, 2, 3, 4. What's 4?
I don't know.
Oh, this is 4.
I check later. Okay, next.
1, 2, 3.
Papa check that later, okay?
Look.
Yeah, okay, next. You know how to write the number?
Yeah.
Okay. 8 plus 8
8 plus 8
equals?
equals 2.
You count. In Dutch.
Mommy, wait. 8 plus 8 plus
Equals, you count.
equals 2.
Huh?
2.
In Dutch?
Wait. 8 plus 8 equals.
Yeah, 2 is right. What is 2 in Dutch?
I know it. 3.
Good so.
I know 3. 8 3
Plus
plus
8
8
equals.
equals
Count it, count. You count. 8, 3.
8 3
2 plus 8 equals. You count this.
8 3 equals 3 equals. What do you mean?
Count it then. Oh, count.
8 3 3.
You write it there.
Oh,
Like this. 3. Good so. Next.
oh.
Good so. Next.
8 3 3
Plus
equals.
8.
Wait. 8 3 3 plus what?
8
8
equals. Oh, count it.
8 3 3 4.
What is the answer?
What's 4?
I don't know. Where's the fear?
Is it 4?
Where? Okay, write it then. Good so.
Like this.
Yeah, good so.
5.
Yeah, write it then.
6.
How many is this? 8, 3 plus 8, 2 equals. You count it all.
8 3 3
Mm.
4 5.
What is this? What is the answer?
5.
Oh, where is the 5?
Oh no,
You erase it here.
I open it.
Huh?
Try again.
Yeah, okay, try and try.
5. I did not know that 5. 5.
What is that?
I know it's 5.
Try it. You write like this. You must write like this and then this and this. Try and try.